Pre-game vlog, what do you got to say to the cans?
Backflip.
Alone. Bye, you copycat.
Restart the video.
You have in your training, the number one thing that our best clients see is that they have a definitive.
It's like a...
with the authority to facilitate daily training and hold the team accountable to it. When that person is,
I would.
Let's go YouTube. Today we are gonna literally be hitting the slopes literally and gonna do the backflips literally.
I'm on a mission. I'm mic'd up on camel press.
Alright, skiing vlog.
We're on the lift. It is very warm. My fingers I cannot feel.
Let me talk. Hey guys, so today we're about to do a backflip in 10 seconds. Transition time.
You think this is enough tilt? Here, wait, let me see.
Huh?
I can't see shit. What do you think? Look at how nice it is. We're going to go run on the right, okay? Because then there's going to be power. Stop, look up. Why are you? See how fast you can go? See how fast you can go? Yeah. Where are we headed? That way? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. What? I know! No fall damage. Let's get it.